Well, Valentine's Day is coming up, so I just designed this origami heart card. And it closes like this. And there's a really cool way of locking it. You just stick the flap into the pocket, and it locks like that. Isn't that cool? And then you can open it up, and you can stick some money in here in these pockets if you're getting it as a gift for someone. And what's also cool about it is that you can also put other stuff inside, like maybe lovely origami notes. You just fold it, insert it into the pocket like this. Make sure it's small enough to fit in there, and then you can close it up like that. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you how to make this, and special for my members only, I made this variation. This is a heart inside of a heart card, and it closes up like this. And this is how you lock it closed. You stick this flap into the pocket. Okay? And then you can put this open side onto the table. Like that. And that's for members. And to become a member, find the join button. It's about $5 a month. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make this super simple heart. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so to fold this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. But you can use an ordinary sheet of print paper cut square. So let's begin with the white side up and fold in half both ways diagonally. Unfold and fold that this way. Well, yeah, I said both ways. Okay. And blend. So fold the 4 corners to the middle. Okay, unfold. And now fold this corner to the crease. And do that all the way around. And if I'm going too fast, you can always pause and catch up. Okay, and now refold on the creases, like this. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to turn over, and we're going to take these 2 corners, just these 2 corners, and fold them to here. Like that. Okay, so we're actually almost done. Can you believe that? So now what we're going to do is we're going to fold the card in half. Okay. And now this is going to be the crevice, and this is really to taste. Let's see. I'm going to kind of fold this up. I'm just going to this is just really to taste. I'm just going to just fold it about like this. And same on this side. And you can just match what you did right here. Okay, you can unfold. And now what we're going to do is we're going to turn over on this side, and let's erase whatever creases the mountain fold, and refold it on this side. And same here too. Oh, that one's already about like fold. Okay, and now to make these stay down better, you can just pinch them, just right along that line. That'll help them stay down. Okay, and now for the crevice, reverse fold. Alright, and once you did that, your heart card, that's super simple to make, is all done. And I think this is a really sweet model, and it's really cool. I love how it locks together like this, just by inserting that into the pocket. See? And it locks together really nicely, and they won't see what's inside. So yeah, there it is. This is how you open it up. And I really like this one too. This is the one for members. It's a heart inside of a heart, and you can put your gift or money in there into the pockets. But I think I like this one better because I like the way it locks, and it's easier to fold too. So yeah, there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this and find it useful as a gift for your girlfriend or whatever. This is a good gift. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.